Hi there, I am Pesh and I'll be walking you through the self-tutorials here on our YouTube channel. You're very welcome. So now let's get started on Save App. How do you get the app? So you simply go to Google Play or App Store and then you write Save by Exas. So it's an app with the icon that's blue with an S in the middle. That's your app. So now that you have the app, let's sign up. So now the sign up process goes by, you put your both names. After putting your both names, you put your phone number that you're going to be using when you transacting your savings. Moving on, you're going to input a PIN that you'd like to use. So you set a PIN of 5 digits, not more, not less, 5 digits. After you put that PIN, you have to confirm your PIN. Now, after you've confirmed that PIN you want to use, so below there is a section that says referral code. So now that code is a code that you put if someone has invited you by giving you their code. So you either put that code in there if you would like to, because when you put that code, that person earns some bonus points. Once you're done, you hit sign up on Save, and there you go, you're in the app. Let's get to resetting your PIN. So when you're in the home page, you're trying to sign in and you forgot your PIN. Below the PIN section, there is where they ask you forgot PIN. Next to it, there is reset PIN. So you hit the reset PIN and then they take you to another page that asks you for your phone number. Once you have the phone number, so they ask you if that's your number, obviously. So then they ask you send code to that number. So once you hit that button, they send you a verification code. So you put it in there. After your phone number, you put it in there, and then they take you to putting in your new PIN. Remember, your PIN has to be 5 digits. 5 digits, not less, not more than 5. 5 digits. So once you're done putting in the new PIN, they ask you to confirm the PIN. You put it in again. So once you're done, you reset PIN and you go back to the login page or sign in page, put your phone number again and that new PIN, and you're good to go. I'm your host Pesh. See you next time.